Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I am going to show you how to install your more and more font just one click. So we don't wait for the magic, let's go. First of all, I chose my specific folder where I broken my all font here, because here you can see, and then I need to go our search button from my computer. Here search, just here type font, F or anti-font, just type font. And font, hit enter button. So here I can see our font here, so I can select the font. You can see our so many fonts here like this, and we have another font. Those fonts are not installed, we just install now. Select our whole font, shift all select, and Ctrl C for copy, or you can go there, settings option, fonts, and okay, drag and drop. Just drag and drop our setting option and drag and drop to install. Okay, place here. You can see our font already installed. Starting. Just some few moments wait. You can see that our font installing now. Just one click, just drag and drop our font installing. You can see our fonts, they are installed. Somewhere this message show you that your font already installed your computer. So already installed your computer, then you select do not do this for all current item and select no. Okay, font already installed, yes. Okay, so our font already installed. Alexis 3D Rock, this font are not installed before, we just now installing them, just one click. And this is the magic, just select your all fonts and just need to draw and select your font, add font, this folder, and just drag and drop. Okay, so today's video is finished, and hope this video will be help you for your graphics or any thing or font install collection fonts.